Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can turn off notifications on Messenger. To do that, you are going to open the app, select the three lines on the top left corner of your screen. Select the settings tab, which is this gear icon. Then you are going to go to notifications and sounds. You are going to then just go to do not disturb. And you're going to select like the time. If you can't find the off like notif, just go to your settings here and you're going to just turn off notifications. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.